Good day, viewers. I think we'll look back a few days to Christmas Day, and I'll share a video with you I made of my grandson playing out in his front yard. This little video clip begins when I got up and went outside to see what him and his dad were doing. We gave him a little remote control car, and he's out in the front yard playing with his new remote control car, and he's learning how to operate it. And I thought I'd share this little clip with you. Back up, go that way. Now come over this way. Turn the steering wheel. There you go, come on.
Oh, good job.
Turn the steering wheel and go back around. Turn. Don't forget to turn. He threw the remote control down and pushing it. Get your remote control.
Jensen, use the remote control.
No. Let me try it. Oh.
Let me do it with my hands.
Here.
No.
Wait. Here, Dan. Maybe when he lays it down, you can take off with it.
Yeah.
He's too busy pushing it.
Yeah, chase it. Catch it. Yeah, come back.
He's a hands-on type of person.
Yeah. And he play how he wants to play.